everyone, I'm Gauri Yadav and welcome to Gauri's Cloud Crew. Today is day 2 of our computer networking journey and let's kick things off.
Have you ever wondered how the devices you use every day are interconnected, allowing seamless communication and collaboration? Well, today's video is all about unfolding the mysteries of computer networking. So, grab your curiosity and join me on this journey as we explore the various type of networks that power our digital world. Day 2 topics are question number 1, what is PAN? Question number 2, what is LAN? Question number 3, what is MAN? Question number 4, what is WAN? Let's move on to our first question, that is, what is PAN? PAN is Personal Area Network. Think about connecting your headphones to your phone via Bluetooth. That's a PAN in action. It connects personal devices within a very short range of personal use. PANs use short range technologies like Bluetooth and near field communication (NFC) to connect devices like smartphones, tablets, and wearables. PANs offers convenience, personal device and energy efficiency. They are like tiny invisible bridges enabling communication between your gadgets. They have very limited range and potential interference are limitations to consider. And PAN has a range of less than 10 meter, means personal area range. Now let's move on to our second question, that is, what is LAN? So LAN is local area network. Imagine a neighborhood where houses are connected like devices in a LAN. They share resources like electricity, water, and internet. Just like LAN devices share files, printers, and data. So operate within a limited area, typically inside a home, office, or campus. Think of your office network with computers, all connected for efficient communication and resource sharing. Using LAN offers numerous benefits: faster data transfer, efficient resource sharing, better collaboration, and cost efficient. For small spaces, however, their limited range and security are things to consider. Range of LAN is 10 meter to 100 meter to 1 kilometer. Let's move on to our third question, that is, what is MAN? MAN is Metropolitan Area Network. Picture a city map. A MAN connects to multiple LANs within that city, creating a high speed network for businesses and organizations. Think of government networks, public Wi Fi infrastructure, and educational network connectivity. MANs rely on technology like fiber optic cables to provide fast data transmission within the city. They are like city-wide information. Supermans offer benefit like improved communication, collaboration, and resource sharing within a city. However, dependence on existing infrastructure and potential legal or regularity restrictions are things to consider. Let's move on to our fourth question, that is, what is WAN? WAN is Wide Area Network. Think of a map and imagine lands as scattered islands. WANs connect these islands, allowing communication across vast distances. Think of internet itself connecting everyone globally. WAN use various technologies like fiber optic cables and satellites to bridge long distances between LANs and other networks. Data centers like giant buildings filled with computers are key components of WAN infrastructure. WANs enable international communication, remote access, cloud computing, and more. They are like information highways connecting us all. However, higher cost, potential latency issue, and security concerns are aspects to remember. And range of WAN is in 1,000 kilometers, like connecting continents and countries. So we have more type of LAN. First VLAN and second WLAN. And we have more type of network. One of them is VPN. So let's focus on them now. VLANs are virtual partition within a physical network, segmenting it into logical groups based on functions or department. This improves security and network management. WLAN. In a coffee shop, when you connect your phone to Wi Fi, that's a WLAN in action. It uses Wi Fi technology to connect devices wirelessly within a specific area. VPN. VPNs create secure tunnel over the internet, like encrypted paths for your data to travel safely. Think of it as a secret passage protecting your information. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of computer networking. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until the next time, stay connected.